All right, we're gonna make us a little topping to go on our grilled red snapper. We're gonna make a little shrimp sauté to go on top of it. What we got here, we got I don't know, man, I can't remember. I think it's about a pound or so of 50, 70 count shrimp. Live, Gulf caught, not farm raised or Indonesia shrimp. You wanna make sure you read the package. Some of my stuff comes from overseas or farm raised here, which it don't taste the same. All right, we got some bell peppers out of my garden there. That's what 3 mini bell peppers will give you. I got a whole bunch of green onions chopped up. Gonna use butter, garlic, and some slap your mama for this. I'm gonna put in about half a stick of butter to start. I don't really have any recipes. I just go what feels right. When it comes to butter, you can always add more. It'll never hurt. Now we're gonna start tossing everything in. I'm gonna save back some of these onions because I want to put them on top of it raw. I don't know, maybe a cup or so. I use all my bell pepper. Might have been half a cup. I usually use more than that. We'll start off with about a spoonful of minced garlic. Since my garlic plants are still growing out there, you store-bought. Start sauteing that down. We'll saute this down, everything gets good and tender. All right, we got everything good and tender. Got to watch out when you do this with green onions; they'll get all black and nasty looking if you try to saute them too long. We'll go ahead and dump in our shrimp. We'll give it a little bit of seasoning. This seasoning not too bad. Ran out of Tony Chachere's, that's what I usually use, but we'll give it a light dust in there. Don't want to set everybody on fire. All right, they've been sauteing down a little while. They're just about done. I'm gonna take them off right now because they'll continue cooking, but just want that light pink. They'll cook a little more sitting here. Now we gotta get on to the good stuff. Grilling up the red snapper. All right, we're gonna give this red snapper a little dusting of olive oil. All right, we're gonna put some Old Bay on them. From my experience with Old Bay, it can be a little overwhelming. You don't want to overdo it on the Old Bay seasoning, but it does have a good flavor on seafood. All right, it's time to put a little red snapper on the grill. We're gonna do it meat side down first for just a few minutes. Get a good grill on it. Then we're gonna flip it over and cook it the rest of the way on the skin side. All right, the snapper's been on there just for a few minutes. Get some good grilling on this side. We're gonna flip it over and let it cook a while. And kingfish back there looking good. Fix to move it over, and I'm gonna set the next 2 pieces of red snapper on. All right, here we go. We're gonna brown up the flesh side. Let them sit. We'll flip it in a minute. I'm gonna squeeze me a little lemon juice on there I don't want everything to dry out. Put a little lemon juice on it. Keep that top side moist while it's cooking. And we'll run a little bit of butter down it. Real butter, not margarine. Gonna set and let it do its thing a few more minutes. Alright, I'm gonna go reheat my shrimp saute topping to put on it. We'll be good to go. Alright, there we go. We got us some grilled red snapper with some sauteed shrimp. Some good stuff. Hope y'all having a good night also. We'll see y'all next time.